Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin troubleshooting your Lenovo Yoga C940, ensure you have the following tools on hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. It's essential to work in a clean environment to avoid any static damage to your device. First, power off your device completely and disconnect it from any power source. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the bottom cover of your laptop. There are usually around 10 screws, but be sure to check for any hidden screws under rubber feet or stickers. Once you have removed all screws, carefully insert the plastic prying tool into the seam between the bottom cover and the laptop chassis. Gently pry open the bottom cover, taking your time to avoid breaking any clips. If you're having trouble, you can use a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to loosen the adhesive. With the bottom cover removed, locate the battery. Inspect it for any signs of swelling or damage. If the battery appears damaged, it may need to be replaced. If you're unsure about the condition of your battery, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you determine the next steps. Disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard by gently lifting the connector off its socket. If your device still doesn't power on after reconnecting the battery, it might indicate a more serious issue. Now, let's clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris from the fan and heatsinks. This will help prevent overheating and ensure optimal performance. While cleaning, be cautious around sensitive components. After cleaning, reconnect the battery and replace the bottom cover by aligning the clips and pressing down gently. Reinsert all screws, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, which could strip the threads. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your laptop troubles. Once everything is reassembled, try powering on your Lenovo Yoga C940. If it still doesn't turn on, there may be additional issues related to the motherboard or power supply. In this case, we recommend getting a quote before repair to understand the costs involved. Troubleshooting battery issues can be straightforward if you follow these steps carefully. If you need assistance at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for help. With the right approach and tools, you can have your device up and running in no time. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.